officially here. It's been 3 months actually since my last video. Honestly, I almost gave up on this channel. Pero, andito ulit ako and I'd like to share why. So, for the past few months, I have been thinking, should I stop creating videos for upskilling after 40? Honestly, apart from, being busy at work, honestly, medyo cringy pa rin kasi for me to see my own face on YouTube. Parang laging may maliit na boses sa utak ko na nagtatanong, ano kayang iniisip nila? Oh my gosh, ano kayang iniisip ng mga ibang tao sa ginagawa ko? Especially those that I work with. And maybe some of you watching this have felt that too. When you're trying something new, kahit alam mo it's good for you, or it's good for someone close to you. Pero parang laging may self-doubt na kasabay. And that's exactly what I felt. But recently, may isang tao na who's very close to me, actually, isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng tao sa buhay ko, told me na, these topics that I discuss here on the video, and syempre, even in person too, have been very helpful for him, and I have actually seen the progress in his life. Di lang pala ako yung natutulungan ko sa ginagawa ko, natutulungan ko rin siya, and I didn't want to lose that small but real momentum, lalo na if it's helping someone I care about stay motivated to learn. Grabe talaga yung progress, and I feel so proud na he was able to do that because of my constant reminders. So instead of overthinking, I reminded myself, I actually don't need to be perfect. Nobody's perfect anyway. What I need to do is I just need to be present. Kaya naman, if you're watching this and if you're in a place that, and if you're in the same situation, if you're in that place where you have paused something meaningful because of fear or self-doubt, breathe muna. Let's breathe. We all go through that. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Pero kapag pagka may dahilan na mas malalim kesa sa takot mo, minsan we'll just have to go back to our whys. Minsan that's all we need to start again. So here I am doing another video. Not perfect, but real. I just want to thank you for being here, for being with me in this journey. And if you've ever thought of stopping something that matters to you, let's talk about it in the comments or message me personally. I'd love to hear your stories too. And if this video helped even one person lang feel less alone, sulit na yun. Until the next video, let's keep learning slowly but surely. So, ayun, kita-kits ulit sa Upskilling After 40. Bye!